All right, boys and girls, let's go ahead and get rolling with our math video. I'm sorry I could not place it in with the science video. It has some items that I needed to retrieve and get in front of you, like our giant worksheet today. The first thing I want you to do for math is pause the video, and I want you to retrieve 3 things. The first thing I want you to get is your fact sheet 83. It says fact homework 83. You're going to need that. The next thing that I need you to get is guided class practice 83A. Sorry about the lighting. Guided class practice 83A. And I want you to get a journal or notebook paper with a pencil. Journal or notebook paper with a pencil. All right. The first thing we're going to do, boys and girls, for math is a first focus. And what I want you to do is go ahead and head your journal paper. So if you need to pause this video and head your journal paper with your name, date, and quote, you may do so at this time. All right. In your journal, I want you to answer these 5 questions. 5 questions. Question number 1. What is today's date? In all the other videos that you've watched today, I have mentioned today's date. Today's date. What is today's date? That's number 1. Number 2, can you finish this pattern? Can you finish this pattern? I will say the numbers 20, 18, 16, and you have to add 3 numbers to the pattern. That's number 2. Number 3, what time is it on my clock? What time is it on my clock? Remember, we count the hours by 1, but we count the minutes by 5. What time is it on my clock? Number 4 is a mystery question, so get your listening ears ready. Actually, number 4 and number 5 is a mystery question, so get your listening ears ready. All right? Mystery question. Today I put 5 dimes and 2 pennies in my mystery bag. Then I put 4 more dimes and 2 pennies in my mystery bag. Question number 4. How many dimes and how many pennies are in my mystery bag? How many dimes and how many pennies are in my mystery bag? Number 5. How much money is in the mystery bag? How much money is in the mystery bag? All right. We're going to hold this journal to the side, and we're going to use it one last time at the end of the lesson, okay? So the next thing I want you to do is count with me. We are going to count by 5s, 10s, evens, and odds. All right, are you ready? I want you to do me a favor, and I want you to pause the video, and I want you to count out loud by 5s to 50. And if you have a hard time, count with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. And now I want you to count to 100 by 10s. If you have a hard time counting to 100 by 10s, count with me. 10, 9, 10, 9. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And now we're going to count even numbers. I want you to pause the video and I want you to count your even numbers from 0 to 20. If you are having a hard time doing so, count with me. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. All right, boys and girls, I want you to pause the video one last time, and I want you to count by odd numbers from 1 to 21. We're going to count our odd numbers from 1 to 21. All right? If you are having a hard time, I want you to count with me. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. All right? If you think you have done well, give yourselves a round of applause. Boys and girls, I did say, oh no, I guess we're going to go over some addition. We're going to do our doubles plus 1. We all know that our doubles are 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3. But doubles plus 1 is 5 plus 1 more, 6 plus 1 more. Okay, so it actually goes 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3. So what I am going to do, boys and girls, is I'm going to say the facts and you give the answer. All right, now if you have a hard time giving the answers because I'm going too fast, you can always go back and replay the video and practice with me. That's why the videos are actually good for you, because you can go back and review them as many times as you want. So go ahead and give me the answers to the doubles plus 1. 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 4, 4 plus 5, 5 plus 6, 6 plus 7, 7 plus 8, 8 plus 9, 9 plus 10, 10 plus 11, 11 plus 12, 12 plus 13, 13 plus 14, 14 plus 15, 15 plus 16, 16 plus 17, 18 plus 19, and 19 plus 20. All right. So again, if I went too fast for you, I want to make sure that we are fluent, so you can go back and rewatch this video as much as you can. As many times as you want to go ahead and practice saying them quicker and quicker. Okay. All right. So boys and girls, our new topic for today is congruent shapes. Congruent shapes. All right. Can you tell me what this shape is? If you said a circle, you are correct. What about this shape? If you said a square, you are correct. And this shape? If you said a triangle, you are correct. And last, this shape. If you said a rectangle, you got it. So we all know what our shapes are. Is that correct? All right, good job. Oh, I forgot. No, I didn't. I think we did square. All right. So congruent shapes, boys and girls, is very easy. Are you ready? Congruent shapes are same shape, same size. That easy. Same shape, same size. Congruent shape. Let me show you. So I have a circle, right? And then I have another circle. Same shape, but they are two different sizes. Likewise, I have a square, correct? And then I have another square. Same shape, different size. Right? Circle, circle. Same shape, same size. Ding, ding, ding. These are congruent shapes. How do I know? Because congruent shapes are the same shape, same size. Congruent shapes are the same shape, same size. Not congruent, congruent. Not congruent, congruent. All right? Like congruent, not congruent. Congruent, whoa. not congruent. Let's look at our guided class practice 83A. Look at number 3. The direction says, use your finger. You ready? Color the congruent triangles red. Color the congruent triangles red. And the awesome thing about your assignment, about your worksheet is that it tells you again the definition for congruent shapes. Boys and girls, I want you to take your pencil and I want you to circle the definition for congruent shapes. Circle the definition for congruent shapes. All right. Congruent triangles are the same size and shape. I'm looking at 4 shapes here, boys and girls. There are only 2 that are the same size. Did you point them out? If you said this shape, and if you said this triangle and this triangle, you are correct. They are the same shape. All of them actually are the same shape. They are all triangles. However, these 2, the second and the 4th, are the only 2 that are the same size. Those are congruent shapes. Same shape, same size. Same shape, same size. Bigger ones, same shape. Tongue-tied, same size. What I want you to do, boys and girls, for the last assignment in your journal, I want you to write in your journal, draw a picture in your journal using shapes only. Draw a picture in your journal using shapes only. Write about your picture, and I want you to send your first focus along with your writing assignment together on that one sheet. Upload it and send it to me. I will also make a to-do list so you won't forget what you're supposed to be turning in. Also, you are to do the front and the back of this worksheet. This is the guided class practice, and the other side is your homework practice. All right? So for math, you are to turn in your journal, your fact sheet, front and back of your guided class practice sheet. And don't forget, your journal will include the 5 questions that we asked in the beginning of the lesson, as well as the writing assignment, which is to draw a picture using only shapes and write about that picture. All right, boys and girls, that's it for today. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will be giving you notes on your assignment. Have a good day.